Hello, my respected teachers and seniors, and my dear friends. I am Jhilik Barman and pursuing my graduate degree in Botany Honours from Tufanganj Mahavidyalaya under Coach Bihar Panchanan Barma University. Today, I am going to discuss the topic ecological succession. In this video, I will cover these following topics. Now, let's see what is ecological succession. The replacement of one community by another until a stable stage is reached is called ecological succession. Ecosystems tend to change with the time until a stable system is formed. Now let's talk about primary succession. Primary succession occurs where there was no previous community, such as on bare rock or sand. Primary succession begins with pioneer organisms. Secondary succession. When a community is disrupted and succession occurs again, it is called secondary succession. Disruption may be from fire, farming, wind, foresting. Now let's talk about steps of succession. At first, nudation, invasion, competition and coaction, reaction, stabilization at last. Nudation. This is development of bare area without any form of species. Nudation may occur due to topographic, climatic, biotic. Invasion. Invasion is the successful establishment of a species in bare area. Invasion include the following three steps: migration, ascesis, and aggregation. Competition and coaction. Due to aggregation of a large number of species at the limited place, there develops competition for space and nutrition. Individuals of a species affect each other's life in various ways. This is called coaction. Reaction. Reaction includes mechanism of the modification of the environment through the influence of living organisms on it. Due to this, very significant stage changes take place in soil, water, light, conditions, temperature, etc. of the environment. As a result of reaction, the environment is modified and become unsuitable for the existing community, which sooner or later is replaced by another community. Stabilization. The final stage of succession is called the climax community. The final community is not replaced and it's known as climax community, and the stage as climax stage. Now let's see what is the climax community. A climax community is a mature, stable community that is the final stage of ecological succession. In an ecosystem with a climax community, the conditions continue to be suitable for all the members of the community. Any particular region has its own set of climax species, which are the plants that are best adapted for the area and will persist after succession has finished until another disturbance clears the area. Here are the examples of climax community. Now let's talk about threats to succession. The grasses that move in as pioneer species are often thought as weeds. The subsequent growth of shrubs and considered undesirable brush. Without this intermediate stage, the disturbed habitat can't return to a natural forest. The fragility and stability of the ecological community are dependent upon several factors. Now let's see what is ecological succession never ends. Also, over long periods of time, the climate conditions and other fundamental aspects of an ecosystem change. These geological time scale change are not observable in our ecological time, but their fundamental existence and historical reality cannot be disputed. No ecosystem then has existed or will exist unchanged or unchanging over a geological time scale. This is all about ecological succession. Thank you.